This is what my headlight looks like right now. The other one is pretty foggy as well. So I'm going to use $1,000, $1,500, then $2,000 wet sanding and make them clear again. All right, and there you have it. That looks way better. That's after wet sanding with 1,000, 1,500, and 2,500 or 2,000 grit sandpaper. This is after just doing the 1,000. I still have to do the 1,500 and 2,000. Okay, and here's the second one done. I noticed some of the stuff is actually on the inside of the housing, but still looks way better. And I wanted to point out that when I'm done, I also rub it with some compound to get it nice and clear. So yeah, looks way better. Took me all of 10 to 15 minutes. Well, anyways, there's the after. And so if you're looking for an easy way, maybe less than $15, $20 to refresh your headlights and then about 15 minutes worth of work, there you go. Thanks for watching my channel. I'm always doing different stuff, whether it be car repairs, magnet fishing, metal detecting, anything. I've always trying new things. So you kind of never know what you're gonna get with me, but I don't put videos on YouTube lightly, so I always, the videos that I put on there, I feel always have some sort of useful value. So check them out. Subscribe if you would, please, and leave a comment down below if you have any comments, and hit that bell if you'd like. All right, E-Will out.